There was a king. He was out on a hunt and he found a child who was left by his parents, and very good looking kid. So he said, I want to take this kid back with me. He took the kid back with him to the palace, and he said to everybody under him that, look, I do not want to hear him cry. Whatever the kid wants, just make sure he gets it. So the king, everybody said, okay, as the king wants. After a while, the kid started crying. So they said that king was very upset. He said, why is the kid crying? Caretaker said that the kid is asking for a needle. So Bacha said, I told you, whatever he wants, just give it to him. Needle, give it. And again, the kid was crying. Why is he crying now? What's wrong? He's asking for an elephant. Whatever he wants, just give it to him. Okay, the elephant is. Third time he's crying again, like, you're fired. What's wrong with you? Don't you know the kid doesn't have to cry? Just give it to him. What is he asking for? He's asking that make the elephant pass through the needle. So now, when this is what Nafs does. This is what Nafs does. You fill one request, it will come up with the next. You fill the other, it will come up with another one. And then it will keep on, increasing the challenge level. You're now in phase 3. Right? Get the elephant across the needle.